To remove or replace the ambient light sensor board, first remove the TouchMat and the left rear cover. Detach the connector from the ambient light sensor board. Detach the pink Torx head screw that secures the ambient light sensor assembly to the PC. Remove the assembly from the unit. Detach the Phillips No. 1 screw that secures the ambient light sensor board to its bracket. Pull the board off of the bracket. The ambient light sensor board has a hole at one side that aligns over a small metal tab on its bracket. There is also a guide on the bracket for the edge of the board. To replace the board onto the bracket, align the hole over its tab. Secure the board to the bracket with its Phillips No. 1 screw. The ambient light sensor board bracket has two small holes on the bottom that fit over two small metal tabs on the middle frame. To replace the ambient light sensor board assembly, align the two holes of the bracket over their slots until the bracket is correctly seated. Secure the ambient light sensor board bracket to the middle frame with its pink Torx head screw. Replace the connector to the board. Make sure the connector is secured in its nearby cable guides.